Whether online or on the lot, Bartlesville Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is bringing the heat to Oklahoma.
The cool thing with Dodge, I've got 5 franchises. We've got Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, and Fiat. And the cool thing with Dodge is they're just killing it with the horsepower of these cars. It's amazing that you can get a car from the factory with 770 horsepower. We have wide body red eyes like this one on the showroom, and they're just so much fun to drive. It's better than having a cup of coffee. It gets your blood curling.
Honestly, my favorite vehicle would be our Jeep products, our Wranglers, the Grand Cherokee L's, because they definitely have lifestyle, but they also are fun off-roading vehicles that you can pretty much take anywhere.
You pick it out, we'll work it out. It's very simple. You come here, find a car that you like, and I'll help you figure out what it takes to put in your driveway. People leave daily saying this is the best buying experience they've ever had.
We don't have a front and a back. We have a team. Like the sales and the service and the accounting and the finance, we all just work together as best we can.
Bartlesville CDJR. Call 888-432-1376 or go to BartlesvilleChryslerDodgeJeep.com.